Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be jailbreaking or fully loading the Fire Stick. Some people call it jailbreaking, but really just opening a bunch of apps and showing you a configuration that's always going to be working, always effective for free movies, live television, free TV shows, and a lot of content. So I'm here on my Fire Stick device, and I'll show you step by step how to make this work. And Amazon has been filtering some apps out, and I'll show you how to get around that, how to continue enjoying the content, and how to continue getting the apps. So on your Fire Stick device, the first thing you'd like to do straight off the bat is go to that settings icon right there. And when you're there, click on that icon, followed by My Fire TV or My Device. Now, when you're in this section, you'll see something like this. Now, from here, you see I have developer options. Maybe you don't have developer options, which is completely fine. You're just going to click on that About button right there. And you see I have My Fire TV or My Devices. And you see the information about the device. You want to click on this with the middle of the D-pad about 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It says no need, you're already a developer. But if you're not a developer, it'll tell you now you are a developer, okay? So when you do that, click one back and you should have developer options. Now the next thing we need to do, we're just going to press that home button on our Fire Stick. Once we do that, you're going to go to Find, click into the search box right below, and you can use the Alexa remote or you can type it in. We want to search for an application called Downloader. Downloader. It's going to come up and we're going to be presented by this orange application here. These are fakes, so don't get any of these applications. Click on the Downloader application and click the download button. Now what's going to happen, it's going to start downloading it, but we're not going to open it up. Once it installs, it's going to notify us, but please don't press the open app application because we have to do another thing once it installs. So press the home button once you install the downloader application. Now let's go right on over to settings, My Fire TV or My Device, and click inside of there. And once there, let's click on developer options and let's click on install unknown apps and click on downloader and put the switch to the on position just like that. Okay. Now press the home button. There's another step we need to take. We're going to go to Find. Let's go to Search. Click inside of Search. And this one you got to type it in. Let's type it in. IP vanish. Just type it in exactly how you see it on my screen right now, okay? Let's type that in. IP vanish. Just like that. Once you find IP vanish, just click on it to search for it. Okay. Now you should see a bunch of applications here and you're going to see IP vanish. Green icon you want to look for, white with a big P inside of it, IP vanish. You want to click on that application and you want to start downloading it. Okay, now why do we need an IP vanish VPN application? Well, we need it to get all this content, to get into the store. Internet service providers have been blocking access to the store, blocking access to the apps, blocking the updates, and blocking the links for movies and TV shows and all content. So therefore, running a VPN and doing a special setup is going to get around that block and is going to enable you to enjoy all that content in more than 60 premium applications that are accessible in the store that I update for you weekly, all the time. Okay, so let's open up IP vanish. And once you open up IP vanish on your Fire Stick, and this works on Android phones, all devices, you'll see something like this. You want to go scroll down and press that login button. Now, what's going to happen in the next step, this is going to come up and you're going to see an email and password, and you're going to see a QR for logging into the VPN if you have an account. Ignore this barcode here. Don't worry about it, the one that's inside of the IP vanish software. And you want to put in your email and then you want to log in with your password. But you might be saying, well, Newtek, I don't have a IP vanish login information. Well, I'm going to help you to get your own. So to get your own, you can simply scan a barcode. I'll put another barcode here that says scan me somewhere here. Also, there's a bit link here. Also in the pinned comment description, you'll see a link. And just transparency reasons, that will give you 87% off. It's $2 and change, a cup of coffee per month to get you protected, to get you safe, to get you anonymous, and get you that access to the store with over 60 premium applications. Remove all those blocks, and I'll show you the server setup you need to do to get all the content to keep it working. So there's a little server setup in IP vanish VPN that I'm going to guide you step by step how to get this working and how to jailbreak and how to open everything up, okay? So I'm going to log in with my email and then I'm going to put in my password, but essentially you would put yours and you would press the login button. And to get yours, you can scan this barcode or go to this bit link also in the pinned comment description. Once you're on the landing page, you'll get 87% off. I arranged a deal with IPVanish for you guys. It's $2 and change, a cup of coffee per month, because this has to be affordable. So it's $2 and change per month to get you started, to get you going, and to continue enjoying all that content, okay? So once you're on their page, choose your package, sign up with your email, create your password. You'll get an email notification from IPVanish. Confirm your email account. Once you confirm your account, simply pop in your email address, pop in your password you created, and press the login button. Pause the video if you need to take care of that. I'll wait for you to take care of that. Pause it if you need to. And then continue watching the video, and I'll show you the server setup we need to do for this premium store to work for all our applications to set this up, okay? Once you're logged into the VPN account, I'll leave the information on the screen if you haven't signed up yet. I'll show you the exact server setup. You would go here, click on the settings, make sure Connect on Android Startup is on. Go down here and make sure you're on the WireGuard protocol. It's by default WireGuard. Make sure you choose WireGuard, okay? Once you do that, press the back arrow. Let's go to the servers by location. Click that location button right there. Go to countries and scroll all the way to the United States. You want to go all the way to the United States, okay? And once you're there, click on United States. And once you click on United States, say favorite United States and click on it. You'll see a star. Click on it again and say connect to United States. Now what's going to happen, it's going to pop up with this connection request. You're going to press the OK button here. And now you'll notice the VPN will turn green and will now fully protected. And before I open up any applications, I make sure that I'm always connected. So make sure you're always connected. It will auto reconnect for you. And before you open up any applications, make sure that you're always connected. Okay, so we're going to go to the next step now. We're going to go to Home. And the next step we're going to do is go to My Apps and Games to get this going. And then we're going to go to Downloader. We're going to open up Downloader by clicking on it, pressing OK button, clicking up into this field right here, yellow box right here, and we're going to put in the following URL. So we're going to put in this URL. Okay, I'll leave it on the screen here as well, but this is the URL we're going to be putting in. Okay, let's pop that in. Now, once you pop that URL in, all you have to do is press the Go button. Okay, let's do that. You can see I can move the cursor left to right, up and down. Okay. And I'm going to scroll down until I see Download APK Android. I'll move my cursor over that and I'll click on it. This is going to start the download of our store, our premium 60 plus more apps store. You'll see it'll start downloading the store. It'll start pushing that into our device. Okay, it's 3.9 megabytes. And when it's finished downloading, it will simply launch the installation process and it will be able to install it. Let's give it a minute here to download. See a pop-up like this. You want to press the install button and press the done button. Very important, don't open it up. Just press that done button right there. Now once you're done that, press the delete button, followed by pressing the delete button to delete the actual installation file. Now the next step we're going to do is we are going to press the home button. Now from here, you're going to go to settings. And from settings, you're going to go to My Fire TV or My Device, click inside of developer options, click install unknown apps, and make sure the downloader is on and the unlinked is also switched to the on position. Okay, let's press the home button. Once you're done that, the next step is real easy. We're going to just go to My Apps and Games. We're going to expand that open, and we're going to open up the unlinked application. Now, once we open this up, you'll see something like this. You want to press the new library here. This will blink like that. Click inside of this blinking cursor, and you just want to type in the following code. It's all lowercase. Just type in the code Firestick. Okay, lowercase, just like that. Once you type that in, just simply press the next button. Firestick is the code. It's going to take you into my store. There's going to be an important message. Read this message. It's going to tell you which applications are really efficient and which are really good and what is being used right now. Very important. Maybe take a picture of your phone at this screen. It'll really help you out. Now, once you do that and you get all that information, and I update this information all the time, it's very important information, I'm going to hit the back arrow to get out of Unlinked. And then just launch it back up by clicking on it again. Now you'll be taken into the actual store. You'll see new tech apps. You want to click on that folder to expand it. Then you'll see a few categories. I'm just in the Firestick Tools category, and I'm going to be showing you this are example apps only. So you can scroll up and down, left to right to get all these other applications like sports, movies, TV shows. It's all below. Top 5 for movies, top 5 for sports, top 5 for live TV. It's all below and it's all updated. You can scroll up and down, left to right. But this is just for presentation purposes. I'm going to show you how to use App Cloner. If an application ever gets blocked, I'll show you how to get around that and how to get it going on your Firestick. And I'm also going to show you an example application, Firestick Tool, which you don't have to install, but I'm just going to use this as an example app just to show you how to use App Cloner. So let's get App Cloner first. This is an important one. This basically what it does, it clones the application. So if Amazon disables this application, says you can no longer run this movie app or TV show app, you can simply just clone it. I'll show you exactly how. So let's install App Cloner first, and just to show you how easy it is to install these applications, and it's the same process installing any other applications. Press the install app, a screen would pop up in our store. You just press install, the screen would flicker, and that app would be installed. Now let's go off and install Firestick Tool, okay, Task Tool. Press the download. You'll see that the application will download. Then press install app and install. And that's it. We've installed the application. Make sure you scroll up and down, left to right. I got over 60 premium applications right in this store, okay? So let's press the home button, and you'll notice once you install any applications from my store and you go to my apps and games, they should appear here. So if we just installed App Clone and Task Tool, and they're here, okay? Now let's say this application stopped functioning. Like you try to launch it, Amazon said you can no longer run this application. Very easy to fix this issue. We're gonna start App Cloner, and you don't have to do this. I'm just showing you extra information if this happens or occurs. It has been occurring with a lot of apps, but when it does happen to your favorite app, you start up App Cloner, click in the middle of the D-pad, say agree, and let's say this was the movie applications that you're having issues with. You can see these are all your installed applications in your Firestick. They show up here in the App Cloner app. You would click on that application, let's say. You would say grant permission, and you only have to do this once. This will take you to install unknown apps, and App Cloner doesn't show up. So just click one arrow backwards. Click back into install unknown apps. App Cloner would show up. Turn it on. This is in developer option, install unknown apps category, okay? Now, once you do that, click, and this is only for the first time. Click the back arrow, click the back arrow, click the back arrow 3 times. This will pop you right back into App Cloner, or you can restart it back again. And let's say this app wasn't working. You would click on it. You would just say clone app and click on it, and that would clone the application. That means we have now the same version of the movie app installed twice. One is working and one is not working. So how would you know which one is working and which one is not? Well, press the install. So this what it will do now when we clone that. It would press done. Don't open it. This will create another version of the same application. You can see this is the clone and this is the original. So now we can remove the original so we don't get confused on our Firestick when we try to launch applications. We take the original, click on it, and it would just say uninstall and press OK. That would uninstall the one that wasn't working, and we're left with the clone that is working. And if you hit home, you'll see now that we have the clone installed. But if we didn't see, the other one just disappeared. But if we didn't uninstall the other one, we would be confused because the icons would be the same 2 applications. So you can clone any applications at any time. Now, if you want the updates from my Unlinked store, simply go to Unlinked and go here on the side menu, go to Settings, and clear cache several times, and then exit Unlinked. And then when you go back in, it'll update those apps and you'll have the newest apps. So that's in Settings, in Unlinked, and clear cache, okay? Now I'll show you for this entire process. I did have my VPN on, so make sure your VPN is on to get all the updates for the apps, to continue getting free movies, free TV shows, and all those links to work, to unlock all those apps. Make sure you're connected to a US server. I showed you the setup earlier. If you haven't done it in the first setup, you can still do it. Just scan this barcode, go to this link here, also in the pinned comment description. It's going to keep you protected, keep you anonymous, keep you safe. You're going to continuously stream. You can use this on unlimited Fire Sticks in your household, unlimited devices, not only one device. It's 87% off through this QR or this link here, also in pinned comment description. It's going to give you a huge discount at 87% off. It's a cup of coffee per month. That's how much it's going to cost, and it's going to unlock everything. So please take advantage of this. I negotiate this deal with IPVanish to give it to my subscribers only. It's a great deal, and you guys are going to enjoy my content. This is the cheapest price for IPVanish that you can get, for a VPN that you can get, that works with all the movies, works with all the apps, okay? So that's pretty much it. And, you know, you can go back to the store at any time, like I said, and get more applications, install as many as you want. They're all updated. They're all working, okay? Now, I haven't put a pin lock in my store. I might be doing that in the future, but I haven't done it yet. Means if you want to get back into my Unlinked store, you'll have to put a 4-digit code, but I haven't done it yet. But I might do it because people are knocking off my content. So what you can do to help me out, just drop a comment below, and if I do put a pin lock, I'll reply to your exact comment. So below this video, I'll reply exactly to your comment. You can just put pin lock, hey NewTech, hey, I have a cat, I have a dog, whatever comment you want to make. This app is not working, this app is not working. And if I do put a 4-digit pin, I'm going to reply to only the people that commented below this video. So make sure you drop that comment. Follow me on X, that's also in the description. Also, I don't ask for money or donations. I would love it if you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell icon to get notified every time I have my video, and make sure you hit like on my videos and comment and share with a family or friend. I would highly appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video, and have a wonderful, beautiful day. Take care.